Hey guys, I'm here at 7306 Airline Drive. Here is the outside. Just picked this one up and I'm looking for a buyer. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 20 square feet, 21. So here is the neighborhood. Across the street. The neighbor to the left, and again the neighbor to the right. 1-story, 2-car garage. It's got a 2-year-old roof, a 2-year-old HVAC, and a 2-year-old hot water heater. Selling this property as is. Obviously we'll clean out the trash. Here's the exterior. I did not see any cracks inside or out on this house. So no movement. Got tile here. If I were to rent this property out, I wouldn't do a lot of work. So the carpet is stained. Here is the dining room. And that leads into the kitchen. And then coming back into the entry, here is a large living area. So one living area, gas fireplace, ceiling fan. Again, the carpet could be shampooed. 4 windows here. It's got a board-on-board, 8-foot board-on-board fence. Here is the kitchen. The tile, obviously, is not for everyone, but the oven is how old? 2-3 years old?
Oh, so not much older than that. They wanted to take the stove with them.
Here's what it looks like inside. Here is the GE. Looks like it's been gently used, but I mean, it looks like it's in good shape. I would say replace the dishwasher just because it looks like it's original. Here is the open concept kitchen. Milk wash, kind of a milk wash stain. Change maybe out the hardware. But 3 bedrooms are over to in that hallway, and the master is over there. So here is the breakfast room. Again, nice bay window. Pantry is right here. Nice walk-in pantry. Utility room. And then it goes out to the 2-car garage. Again, we can get rid of all this stuff. And here is the hot water heater. If I can zoom in on that. So y'all can see that, March 2016. It's a gas hot water heater, Ream. Here is the board-on-board fence. I can show you less than 3 years old. So that's a $7,000 fence. And then here is the outside, the patio. It's raining, so it's a little puddling right there, but it's away from the foundation. I don't see any missing sheets. There's, you know, the exterior could be, you know, painted, but
It's only a couple years old.
and then they put some high-end gutters on here. You know, what is it? It's supposed to be.
They do not clog up at all. If they do,
Yeah.
you call them and they'll fix it.
So what'd you say? You call them and they come.
Call them and they'll come out and repair it.
Yeah. So here is the door, or another fence. So no, here is the Lennox. Here's the exterior. Just take a look at that. And here is the SKU number.
Years old.
So nice quiet neighborhood, great rental property. You guys are going to run your own comp, so I don't want to skew it, but I think we came in at $125 a foot for sale.
Yes.
$125 a foot. So 2116 square feet. Let me show you the bathroom and the 3 bedrooms. So here's bedroom number 1. TV, you got some cabinets here. Walk-in closet. There you go. Okay. And then bedroom number 2. Again, I'm looking in the corners for any cracks. Usually you get some 45 angle cracks.
There's not.
There's not any in here. Just kind of showing you that. And here's bedroom number 3. You got mirrors.
But no cracks.
But again, you know, just looking at, I don't really even see that many nail pops. I mean, you know, there's a little bit of lint, like a scratch right there, but that's not a crack. Again, I might not keep the mirrors, but that's just me. Coat closet here, or linen closet. And then here is a nice secondary bathroom. It's probably 12 to 15 feet deep. Wallpaper, obviously, but the tile doesn't look like this was used that much.
Double sink?
Yeah, you've got, you know, some
Wear and tear
right there, and then double sink. But again, you know, the texture underneath, right?
Oh,
I mean, it's just
wow.
peeling off. Right? There you go. Hey, let's do it.
Free demo.
So,
Look at that.
they just came, you know, obviously paint. Hey, we're not even going to charge for that.
That's right. That's a freebie.
All right, so just to show you this bedroom real quick, you know, are there any cracks? No. And again, that looks like they added, you could take that off. But there's not a lot of holes anywhere. You know, like normally you're going to have some doorknob holes and things like that. So again, here's an interesting factoid. You just put a little, what is it, a frame?
You could put a frame
Put a little
around
frame
it,
around
right
that,
over-
and you
put
got a little
picture.
safe.
Put a picture, and you can sell it. They used to have one up here.
Yeah,
She
look at
told me
that.
about it. Yeah.
All right. Here's the master. It's probably 13 by 15.
Yeah.
Little tray ceiling. Here is the closet. It's probably 10 by 5. Again, looking at cracks. I'm looking for any cracks. This thing is, I don't see one crack in here, which is great. A little bit of a patch job right there. And then here, but here's the master. They've got blue grout.
Blue gray.
And then you got a little bit here and here, but again, as a rental property, I wouldn't even worry about it.
Showers and bridge.
Yeah. So, yeah, it's a little dirty, but the tile work,
Solid.
Yeah.
No mildew or mold in here.
here's the tub. And then, again, dual sinks. You've got a couple nail hole pops up there. And then the toilet area, little hospital style toilet area. And the last thing is the backyard. I think I showed it to you, but you got bay windows going out to the backyard. Nice covered porch.
Maybe open, nice area. Feeling in the living area.
Yeah. So
Feeling in light.
comes out here. We'll probably pull this. I haven't looked what's underneath that, but it looks like it's stained. So again, a little depression there. But these gutters, power wash these gutters and they look good as new.
They're supposed to never stop up.
Donna's saying they're supposed to never stop up. So we got gutters here, all the way around. And then gutters all the way around to the front. And here's the side yard. So guys, let me know what you think. We are looking to move this tomorrow. All right. Thanks, guys.